The formula for electrical power is VIT, VI, IT or I square RT. So the correct answer is, the formula for electrical power is P is equal to V into I. So the correct answer is, the formula for electrical power is B, which is VI. Also, the formula for electrical power is P is equal to I square R or VQ by T or V square by R or IR Q by T. So these are the formula for electrical power. Here the formula for electrical power is B, which is VI. The formula for heat is A, VIT, B, only A, C, I square RT, D, both A and C. So the correct answer is D, both A and C, because we know that H is equal to VIT or H is equal to I square RT. So the correct answer is D, both A and C. Unit of heat is A, joule, B, watt, C, coulomb or D, ampere. So the unit of heat is A, joule. Also the unit of heat is calorie or erg. The unit of electrical power is watt, kilowatt, 1 unit or 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. So the correct answer is A, watt. Dash is called Joule's law of heating. H is equal to PIT, H is equal to V square RT, VIT or I square RT. So the correct answer is H is equal to I square RT. Heat is produced in a resistor due to the current in a circuit. This is known as dash effect of electric current. A, fusing, B, electrical energy, C, heating or D, magnetic. Heat is produced in resistor due to the current in circuit. This is known as heating effect of electric current. So the correct answer is C, heating. Electric conductor having higher dash is used to in the heating effect of electric conductor. Electric conductor having higher D, resistivity. Electric conductor having higher resistivity is used in the heating effect of electric conductor. Dash is used to make a solenoid type coil in an electric bulb. A, metal, B, metalloid, C, nichrome or D, tungsten. So the correct answer is tungsten. Tungsten is used to make a solenoid coil in an electric bulb. Dash is used to make a coil in an electric heater cooker. A, nichrome, B, tungsten, C, non-metal or D, metal. So the nichrome is used to make a coil in an electric heater cooker. Dash equipment is not used as heating effect of electric current. A, boiler, B, toaster, C, pressure cooker or D, electric cooker. So the pressure cooker is not used as heating effect of electric current. So the correct answer is C, pressure cooker. The wire heated nearly dash and emits lights due to the heating effect of electric current. 3600 degrees Celsius, 3300 degrees Celsius, 3400 degrees Celsius or 1000 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer is C, that is 3400 degrees Celsius. In home electrical connection, dash wire is connected to the ground? A. Earth, B. Live, C. Neutral, or D. Ground? So the correct answer is A. Earth wire is connected to the ground. Dash is used to avoid catching fire due to short circuit in electrical circuit. A. Fuse, B. Resistance, C. MCB, or D. Coil. So the fuse is used to avoid catching fire due to short circuit in electrical circuit. So the correct answer is A. Fuse. Potential difference in live and neutral wire is A. 220 volt, B. 200 volt, C. 240 volt, or D. 50 volt. So the potential difference in live and neutral wire is A. 220 volt. Dash is not inflammable material exist around the plastic coating wire. A. Wood, B. Cloth, C. Wire, or D. Plastic. So the wire is not inflammable material exist around the plastic wire. So the correct answer is C. Wire. As soon as high current flow in a circuit, the fuse wire melts and breaks the circuit, and dash avoided. A. Fire, B. Fusing, C. Melting, or D. Overloading. So the correct answer is fire. Fire is avoided due to the melting and breaking of fused. If the current flow in a circuit more than the capacity of transformer, that means dash happen in electrical circuit. A. Underloading, B. Fusing, C. Overloading, or D. Hanging. So the correct answer is C. Overloading. If the current flow in a circuit more than the capacity of transfer, that means overloading happens in electrical circuit. So the correct answer is C. Overloading. When 1 kilowatt hour electrical energy or electrical power is used, it is termed as 1 unit of energy dash as by electrical component. A. Electricity bill, B. Units, C. Power consumed, or D. Heat generated. So the correct answer is C. Power consumed.